Why is this so heavy? Hello, welcome to the K channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello, I'm Kay and I'm an international business student in Finland. But for those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, you must have known that I like to have a desk setup based on my previous video. And if you follow on my social media, you will see pretty much about how I like to decorate my desk a little bit and have this cozy corner. So I changed my setup a bit from previously. I put my printer just on the desk and not on a separate desk to save more space and use the table for the living room. So now it's just on my desk and I have a monitor here, and yeah, I'll just attach the laptop and put it maybe like down here. Okay, today I'm going to unbox a new keyboard. This is not a sponsored product, but I just wanted to try doing an unboxing video, and I will not be buying another keyboard for at least not anymore in this year, and probably not even in the next year yet. So I just wanted to do unboxing of one keyboard that I ordered. Keyboard is from Yunzii. So let's start the unboxing. I'm always happy to unpack something. I don't know, I have become kind of addicted to online shopping. Like, it's so convenient that you don't have to go out and just find something that you like online and then try to unpack it. So, oh, you can even already imagine what color my keyboard will be. As you may have probably seen, my accessories and everything, they are in pink. I really love pink, so whenever I see some cute pink thing, it's so hard for me not to resist, not to buy it. So now this is also the same case. I ended up buying this because it looks so cute and it was pink. So I had no choice but to buy it. Why is this so difficult? They packed it pretty well, so at least it doesn't get damaged. Why do they have this? Why do they have a keycap here? Why? Is it out of this or is it a gift? Can you see this? What? But this is so cute. But why is it here? It was just right here. That's very weird. But I'll just put it here. So cute. It looks so cute. Why does this bubble doesn't work? It doesn't work. No popping. And then so let's keep my old. Well, this is not very old yet. It's actually pretty new. Let's put this here and let's take it off. Take it on here. Let's see it closer. Oh, so it includes this one. It's a mouse head. That's cute. god. This is so cute. It's pretty heavy though. But look at this. Oh my god, look at this. It's so cute. It's so cute. You can hear the sound. And it's so talky as well. Check out what the accessories are. I think these are extra switches. And we have a paw USB. This is the cable for USB, I guess. They also have a keycap switch. It's the keycap switch. Where did this keycap come from? We'll put this back here. So cute, it's so cute, it's so cute. So adorable.
A few moments later.
It is so pretty. Bluetooth is on this side here. Opa! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so shift. I'm so happy I bought this. At first, I was actually quite feeling bad because I recently bought this keyboard. This is actually a really pretty one as well. This is really cute as well. And it's like transparent, so when the lights turn on, it's really pretty. So I have bought this like very recently. So when I bought this, I was feeling a little bit guilty because I was spending money, but I promised myself that I'm not gonna buy another keyboard after this, at least for some, yeah, for some time, for sure, at least for some time, at least not for 2023 anymore. But look at this. I'm so happy I made this purchase. It's so cute. You can see my happy smile on it because I'm just so happy about this, like very. But let's try to type some documents with this, and you can hear the sounds. Okay, so let's do this. right now I wish that I have a mic so I can show you how the sounds of this keyboard feels like, so you can listen to more. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe.